In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable options trading on Robinhood. If you're ready to explore options on Robinhood, I'll walk you through the exact setup so you can get approved and start seeing options in your account. We'll cover both the mobile app and the desktop site, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make the process smooth and clear. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone or log into your account on a desktop browser. Make sure your app is up to date so the menus match what you see here. If you're on mobile, look for the account tab at the bottom right and tap it, then select investing. On desktop, click account at the top right, go to settings, and then choose investing. This section is where Robinhood keeps your trading preferences and eligibility tools. Once you're in the investing settings, scroll until you find options trading. Tap or click enable. This doesn't immediately turn it on. Instead, it starts the short approval process Robinhood requires before allowing options trading. Next, you'll be prompted to complete your investment profile and eligibility questions. These questions typically cover your experience with investing, your financial situation, your trading objectives, and your risk tolerance. Answer honestly and thoroughly. Options aren't suitable for everyone, and Robinhood uses this information to determine what level of options access, if any, is appropriate for your account. If you're new to options, that's okay. Just be accurate about your background. After that, you'll be asked to review and agree to the options disclosures. Take your time here. These documents outline the unique risks of options, how different strategies work, and what you should expect in terms of potential losses and obligations. Even if you're familiar with options, it's worth a careful read to understand Robinhood's policies and the industry standard disclosures. When you've completed the profile and accepted the disclosures, submit your application. Robinhood will review your answers, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a bit longer. You'll receive a notification once a decision has been made. If you're approved, options trading will be enabled on your account automatically. You'll then see options appear as a trade type within supported stocks and ETFs. If your application isn't approved right away, you can revisit your profile over time as your investing experience grows. Remember, enabling options doesn't mean you have to place a trade immediately. Use paper notes, educational resources, and small position sizes when you're ready. That's it. Your Robinhood account is set up for options once you're approved.